Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 8282, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. The meaning of angel number 8282, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 8282 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 8282 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 8282 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 8282? Angel number 8282 is a powerful message about balance, abundance, and trusting divine timing. The number 8 relates to wealth, karma, and personal power, while 2 represents harmony, cooperation, and partnership. When combined and repeated, 8282 suggests that financial and emotional rewards are near but depend on maintaining balance in all areas of life. The angels are guiding you to trust your inner wisdom and act with integrity. Opportunities for progress are unfolding, especially when you focus on collaboration, intuition, and responsible decision-making. It's a sign that your efforts will soon yield long-term stability. What's the symbolism of angel number 8282? The symbolism of 8282 reflects a harmonious blend of material and spiritual aspects of life. Number 8 symbolizes abundance, authority, and the law of karma, while number 2 adds a softer energy of balance, diplomacy, and faith in divine support. Together, they symbolize the cyclical nature of giving and receiving, and how inner harmony reflects outward success. The repeating pattern amplifies the need for both strength and sensitivity. 8282 is symbolic of partnerships that bring abundance, decisions guided by intuition, and finding purpose through balanced living. It encourages patience, adaptability, and trust in the universe's plan. What is the angel number 8282 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 8282 emphasizes alignment with your soul's path through balanced action and faith. It suggests that your spiritual journey is entering a phase of both material reward and emotional healing. The angels are calling on you to trust divine timing and focus on inner peace to unlock abundance. It also reminds you that karma plays a role in what you attract. Positive actions and thoughts will manifest blessings. 8282 encourages spiritual discipline, compassion, and listening to your intuition. This number reassures you that you're being supported as you step into a higher version of yourself with purpose and grace. What does the angel number 8282 mean for love? In love, angel number 8282 brings messages of balance, patience, and emotional growth. It signals the need for healthy communication and mutual support in relationship. If you're in a partnership, it may be time to evaluate whether both parties are contributing equally. If single, 8282 suggests you're attracting a balanced, spiritually aligned partner. It urges you to trust the timing of love and not rush into anything misaligned. This number highlights the value of empathy and compromise, showing that true love thrives when both individuals bring harmony, understanding, and shared goals into the relationship. What does angel number 8282 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 8282 signifies a period of spiritual reflection and necessary balance between the pair. It often appears when twin flames are being guided to work on themselves individually before reuniting or deepening their bond. The repeating 8s highlight karmic cycles being cleared, while the 2s encourage peace and cooperation. This number indicates progress is possible, but both partners must align emotionally and spiritually. If separation is present, 8282 brings hope for eventual union, as long as personal growth continues. It's a powerful reminder that love built on balance and healing is the most enduring. What does angel number 8282 mean for manifestation? Angel number 8282 signals that you're in a potent phase for manifestation, especially involving finances, career, or partnership. It urges you to align your thoughts and actions with your highest values and to remain optimistic. The number 8 carries material energy, while 2 emphasizes cooperation and divine timing. Together, they advise that balance and faith are crucial for bringing your desires into reality. Avoid fear or impatience and focus on gratitude and clarity. Your intentions are being heard by the universe, and with consistent, positive effort, what you envision is not only possible but already in motion. How does angel number 8282 affect finances? In financial matters, 8282 is a very favorable sign, indicating potential for growth, stability, and increased wealth through balanced choices. The number 8 resonates strongly with money, success, and karmic reward, while 2 brings teamwork and wise partnerships into focus. It may be time to collaborate with others or evaluate your money habit. You're being encouraged to manage your resources wisely, avoid extremes, and invest in what brings long-term security. Trust your instincts and take practical steps toward financial goals. With discipline, gratitude, and faith, you're likely to see rewarding outcomes and greater monetary flow. What does angel number 8282 mean for former relationships? Angel number 8282 indicates closure and healing in relation to past relationship. It suggests that you're being guided to make peace with what was, release any lingering resentment, and learn the karmic lessons involved. The presence of 2 emphasizes forgiveness and emotional balance, while 8 suggests growth through difficult experiences. This number encourages you to take what you've learned and apply it to future connections with wisdom. It's also a sign that past relationships, though ended, helped shape your current values. Letting go with grace clears the path for new, more aligned love to enter your life. How does angel number 8282 guide your work life? In your career, 8282 is assigned to pursue goals with a combination of ambition and cooperation. It highlights the potential for professional success through collaboration, patience, and persistence. The energy of 8 brings focus on leadership and financial reward, while 2 emphasizes teamwork and balance. You may be at a crossroads or entering a new phase that requires trust in your skills and adaptability. The number suggests aligning your work with your higher purpose and surrounding yourself with supportive partners. Strategic planning, ethical choices, and spiritual alignment will yield long-lasting success in your professional life. What are the strengths of angel number 8282? The strengths of 8282 lie in its balance between material ambition and emotional intelligence. People influenced by this number are often intuitive leaders who value fairness, collaboration, and long-term success. The number encourages a strong work ethic, the ability to build meaningful partnerships, and a deep understanding of karma and spiritual law. Its energy supports responsible decision-making, financial growth, and emotional resilience. It also empowers individuals to remain grounded while pursuing high aspirations. The double repetition of 8 and 2 enhances clarity, patience, and a strong sense of purpose, helping people navigate life with both strength and grace. What are the weaknesses of angel number 8282? While 8282 is generally positive, it may also highlight certain weaknesses, such as indecision, overdependence on others, or difficulty balancing emotional and material needs. The powerful energy of 8 can sometimes lead to control issues or obsession with financial success, while 2's gentle influence may cause passivity or avoidance of conflict. Individuals influenced by 8282 may struggle with self-doubt or delay important decisions due to fear of imbalance. There's also a risk of staying in unfulfilling partnerships out of a desire for harmony. Recognizing these patterns allows for growth and a more empowered, self-aware path forward.